I really do like Korean food. Also in Vienna, many times I went to Korean restaurants, actually not only in Vienna. And I love the way you can do the meat, for example. This Korean barbecue is fantastic, no? But here in the hotel, the food is not bad. Even it looked maybe not so inviting, but in general taste is good. It's just a problem, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. And I personally, I don't like cold food at all. Cold pizza for me, nightmare. So I think it would be great actually to have something like a delivery service. So you have a menu, a couple of restaurants you can choose from, and then logistically it should be the same thing. The restaurants or supermarkets deliver the food directly in front of the hotel, so there is no problem with the COVID restrictions, and then the hotel personnel takes the food inside. But otherwise, it's actually fine. It's really just cold.
May I have your attention, please? This hotel is a government quarantine facility for foreigners. You are not allowed to leave the room for 14 days. In case of violation, you will be deported in accordance with applicable laws. If you have cold-like symptoms such as fever, cough, or sore throat, please contact our medical team immediately. You will be tested for COVID-19 for free. This facility is
So this announcement we hear twice a day, sometime around 11 and then again around 3 or 4 o'clock. And it's reminding us what we are allowed to do and what we are not allowed to do actually.
Sprinkler is activated, you will be claimed or punished according to relevant laws. General information during the quarantine period. In order to monitor the health status of all residents, please submit your health status once a day using the self-check app installed on your mobile phone when you checked in. If you have not done self-check yet, please submit it now. In-room supplies are property of this facility. If an item is lost or damaged due to your carelessness, you must reimburse it. We inform that you will be charged for any damages caused on TV, bed, sofa, and carpet. In particular, the window cannot be opened, and if the window is forcibly opened, we will claim damages. Thank you.
I have 3.5 days more in my quarantine, and in a way, I'm grateful for that experience with everything included. Now it's time to get my dinner. I wish you all a wonderful evening and hope I see you tomorrow, where we'll talk more about the program with the KBS Symphony Orchestra. The next piece on the program is the Rosenkavalier Suite. I wish you a good night and most important, stay healthy. Bye bye.